Hi everybody, welcome to the Ask Bess show. Bess McCarty, Victoria, Kansas. The topic today is how to always get a yes using my famous magical empathy method. When you are prospecting or when you want to work with your team members, motivate them to get them to events or anything else. So this method works between two people who have an aptitude for feelings. The DISC personality is the DISC. That would be the S-type personality. That's what I am. These are people who have an empathy and an aptitude for feelings, emotions, thoughtfulness. They're loyal, deep people, and they connect through feelings. So this method works from a person like me to a person like me, from one steady type to another steady type, which is about 30 to 50% of the population. So it's really a good method to know, but it's more of an advanced method. There's definitely a science and an art to it. So I'm going to share these with you real quick today. Robert Kiyosaki says, your job isn't to make money, it's to find a problem that needs solving. And another saying is, be the answer to their prayers, but first find out what their prayers are. So what I suggest is make a list of the things that you help, the problems that you help people with in your business, such as people that miss their kids' events, people that don't like their boss, people that hate their office politics. Inflation is eating up their retirement. They have huge student loans to pay off. They don't have enough time with loved ones. They're afraid foreclosure is coming. They wish they had money for parents. They would like to retire their mate. They can't afford vacations. They would like to contribute to charities. All of these things are possible to help with your network marketing business. And we know that network marketing is the best business in the world, with the greatest return of investment of any business in the world, and has all the tax deductions, can work at home, and so many other advantages. So we know that you can help these people, right? But how to get them to open up to hear you? Well, my secret is to build their hunger. The French say that a good meal starts with hunger. And just think, if you aren't hungry, then the food doesn't taste good, it can't go in, you can't really digest it as well. But if you are, you want that food and it tastes great, right? So how do we build the hunger? Well, actually, it's helping people be aware of the hunger that they already have using the empathy method. So you help people to be aware of the depth of their problem so that then they are hungry for your solution. But 99% of network marketers rush in too fast with the solution. Oh, you want to work from home? Here, let's get you into my company, right? They rush in too fast. They need to build or help people be aware of their hunger using the empathy method before they offer the solution. There's just a few sentences to do that, a few simple ways, like it might be, if you hear the person say online or in person, gee, I wish I could spend more time with my kids. You could say some nice empathic things like, gee, how does that feel to be away from them? How is that for them? How is that for you? I don't know if I could do that. Do you worry about this or that? Do you have a plan to change that? These are nice empathy questions to ask more of the person. Now, when you empathize, it does 6 things. Empathy clarifies, it validates, it invites more information, it deepens their hunger and awareness, and it shows that you care, and it connects and bonds. So that's what you can do when you hear a problem. If you don't hear one, you can ask them about themselves. You can ask them about their family, occupation, recreation, dreams. Do you have a family? What do you do for work? What do you like to do for fun? What are your goals for the future? Just being curious, not nosy, according to how well you know the person and what your conversation has been. So then you can either respond to what they said or ask questions to elicit more. And when you do, give them empathy about that. And then you can tell them a story about yourself or someone that you know that closely matches their situation. And you can say, gee, if I could show you a way to be home with your kids more, would you want to hear a little bit about it? A little bit about it is important. And if they say yes, then you can give them your 10-minute presentation like we teach. I've written a little 30-minute read ebook about this, how to always get a yes when prospecting. And I'll post that below. It's only $17 and it's made people thousands and thousands of dollars. So I'll post that below for you. It's really worth an investment, a very tiny investment. And it outlines exactly how to do this. It gives you example for each of the FORD, the family, occupation, recreation, dreams. And it gives you directions how to write your 10-minute presentation that you read to people. Then you invite them to the video. That's how you get people to the video. You bridge with that 10-minute presentation that you deliver. There's 5 components for it. I put that in the book. I hope that this helps today. Remember that you do forward, empathy, story, and invite, and then you do your 10-minute presentation and video. So I hope this helps today. I've never seen something taught anywhere in network marketing exactly like this. This is the best way that I've ever seen. I evolved it. I've used it a lot. It's just like magic. I have not seen anything equal this or the favor script that I start out with that book with. Favor script in network marketing always gets a yes, never gets objections. It works with all 4 personalities. It's duplicatable, simple, easy, fast. I put that actually first because it works with all 4 personalities. Then I put the more advanced method that works between the 2 S personalities. This is the top that I can ever give you as a teacher and coach in network marketing. I hope you enjoy it. Everybody take care. See you for the next show. Bye-bye.